Hi friend, welcome back to my channels. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use pointer functions in ladder logics. So let's just start the videos. First of all, open your project, open your project and develop any logics. So I'm here develop a simple logics or pointers. So this is our the first this is our the data store address em4 is our the data move and this is our the 4d4s and 02 is our the index numbers and here this are the three data numbers we are converting the move and d4 data and this is our the function call finding when we call p1s. So first p1 reset z0 and m10 also, and after that we are adding one for loops like 5 times and each times five plus increments will be increments and at the end next round. So first of all I'm going to change our data like d43. So I'm going to enter any other data values search 6 events, and I'm going to change index registers like 02 is our 10 numbers. I'm going here to enter 10 numbers and simply click data mode. So here I'm going to check the D20. This is our the last. This is our the 6 7 data numbers and this is our the third. So I'm going to search if here it's 6 to 7 is saved. If saved, then I need D D 64 67 numbers at the D14, मीन्स जो भी डाटा हमारे पास सेव होगा वो उसको हम D40 पर रिसीव करना। so, इसके लिए मैंने एक लॉजिक यहाँ पे लिखा है एक मैंने कॉल फाइंड एक पॉइंटर को यूज किया p1s के थ्रू मैंने यहाँ पर एंड जो भी आप डाटा को सर्च करना चाहते हो वो भी आप कहीं पर एक स्कैन या फिर आप उसको एंटर करोगे D2000 इज आवर इंटर डाटा एड्रेस. So basically I'm going to enter D2000 here I want to search 6 7s. So I'm entered 6 7. So simply you need to click D30 and here you can see you want to see this is our the 40. So I'm going to hit the D30 M30 M30 is our the call finders search. So I'm going to hit the M30 and I'm going to one when we press one you can see 6 7 data found. So this is a simple logic for the call finding and data search in your logic. If you have multiple data and you want to search in a specific value, so just hit enter and thank you guys.